Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today I have for you two unboxings. One is Read Your Heart. They specialize in Moissanite jewelry. It's in here. And then we have the InJoyBox, a faith-based subscription box, right in here. Let's get into it. Well, welcome. I am so glad you are here to take a look at Read Your Heart jewelry. This is my second time unboxing for them and the InJoyBox, which I absolutely loved the last time. This is my second time unboxing them too. We're starting with Read Your Heart. They sent me these pieces free for review. I'm really enjoying the pieces that I have unboxed for them once before. This ring is one of those pieces. Isn't that pretty? And I find it matches with a lot, and right now, the last couple of months, I've really been wearing this probably more than any of my other rings because it is so versatile. And I will say it's very easy to clean. I just put it down in a little cup of water mixed with a little bit of Dawn dish detergent, let it soak for a little bit, rinse it off, and it comes out just great. So these are made with Moissanite, which originally came from meteors, but they are now lab grown, so nobody's digging around in mines under the earth and risking their life and limbs so that I can have a pretty piece of jewelry. They have a really nice hardness scale so they don't chip or scratch very easily. I'm certainly finding that to be the case with this ring. They are made with 925 silver, the industry standard, and the alloys that are mixed with it, the other 7.5%, are non-allergen, so there's no lead, cadmium, or nickel in those alloys. What else? And they're also on a scale of 1 to 10 of hardness. Did I already mention this? Moissanite, I believe, falls at a 9.25, so it's almost as hard as a diamond. Alrighty, let's get into the jewelry and the things that are in the box. The shipping on this does take a little while, so if you are looking for a nice Christmas present for someone, this would actually be a really good choice, I think, but just make sure you order it plenty in advance because the shipping took a couple of weeks for it to get here. It's coming in from overseas. So the jewelry will be in these, and they do a nice job of making it so you can gift give it. They include a gift bag here. So right off the bat, I'm going to go into this little clear cellophane package that has all of the paperwork and loose ends that would be rolling around in there. Let me pull out first. I believe that this will be the certificate of authenticity on the ring. So yes, the certificate of authenticity, and then the information on that is inside, including information on your particular piece of Moissanite. So this just lets you know this isn't your standard piece of costume jewelry, and it is an actual stone. And then it's got the characteristic Moissanite and all that in there. And we have the gift bag, very pretty gift bag, says Read Your Heart. Just need a piece of tissue paper. Put it down in there with your gifts. What is this? I'm trying to remember. The return and exchange policy, a little bit of the story on the company is in this little pamphlet. And then right here is your polishing cloth. So you can include that for the person you are gifting it to inside your bag, along with your certificate of authenticity and the piece of jewelry. Alrighty, are you ready to get into the jewelry itself? Sure it is. What woman doesn't like to see a pretty piece of jewelry? And this time I'm prepared. I actually have my scissors here in case I need them, but I don't. It opened right up. So I don't know if this is the necklace or the ring I selected. Little wrapping around it. You slide it right out like this. That kind of helps protect it further, even more than the already well-protected bubble wrap. They do a good job of getting this to you in good condition. So the little box says Read Your Heart. Alrighty, it took me a minute to get this straightened out in here, but here is the necklace. It has a little tiny piece of Moissanite in the middle and all that silver in the real swirly design. I will tell you, they sent me many pieces to look at and choose from. They make it very easy to work with them, and I was so confused because there were so many great pieces in this that I sent some to my best friend and I said, can you help me out here? I need to choose something. And she really liked this one. I also know that I have a particular taste of my own, and I wanted something that would maybe be a little more appealing to all of my viewers. So Anne said she liked this real pretty little swirly design in the middle. So let's take her out and see the length on this one. So thank you for your help, Anne. Let's see how it looks on. Make sure I got the right side out. Yeah. Pulling my microphone down just a little bit so you can see. So initially the pendant was up here and it looked like a 16-inch chain, but the chain has an extender on it. So you can extend it out, I think about 2 extra inches. The extensions may have been about 1 inch apart each, but anyway, there is the necklace on me. So that'll give you an idea of length. So pretty. Okay, and now let's move on to the ring, which is the one that has the certificate of authenticity in here. All right, you ready? Let me make sure it's all the way, it is all the way in. There's the ring. Oh, I need to tell you the names on these things. I'm so excited to see it, I'm not telling the names. And I'm gonna hold it up and let you see from the side there. So this is the rose gold two-tone moissanite twisted pave engagement ring. It's regular $216.58, and right now it's on sale for $129.95. But I have a discount code for you. Of course I do. I'm always looking out for you guys. And the discount code is Nancy15, and it'll save you 15% off of that price. And this necklace, by the way, is the Moissanite Fashion Tassel Sterling Silver Necklace, and its price is $89.95. Again, 15% off of that with the code Nancy15 as well. I will have both of these items linked down in the description box, and as well as the discount code and the information to get to the website and all that good stuff too. So let me slide this on my finger. Oh, that's so pretty. Can you see the rose gold? It's on the band. That's beautiful. And I know they call this an engagement ring, but I wear these kinds of rings all the time. However, you know, if this is a young couple who's just getting started and they just don't have a lot for a real diamond ring, this would be a great starter ring. She has something that's beautiful, she can show her friends and feel proud of, and it doesn't look like you have a cheap piece of jewelry. And with the silver, you know, being the real deal, this will hold up for quite a while. Okay, so that is Read Your Heart Jewelry. Again, Nancy15 for 15% off. I want to thank KOL very much for sending me these pieces. They're absolutely beautiful. I am excited to add them to my jewelry wardrobe. And now let's get on with the INJOY box. And now we are getting on to the INJOY box. And look, they put your name on the label on the outside. I think that's really nice. So it makes it feel personal before you ever get into it. In every INJOY box, whether you get the mini or the standard, you will get at one personalized item in each box, which is one of the places where I think the value is in this box. So the mini has 3 to 4 items and it's $26, and the standard has 7 to 9 items and it is $47. There is $4.50 shipping on each box, and she has a really great discount code for me, Nancy Ann, all capitals, and you will get 30% off your entire purchase of your first INJOY box. That's pretty darn awesome. These make really great gifts for someone who's having a hard time. Maybe if someone is sick and you just want to send them something special, you can either do a monthly subscription or you can just order them on demand. And they're also just really nice for yourself. I got a personalized kind of like a little tote bag in the last one that you can put over your shoulders, and I just bring the few things I need for the gym in that, and it's working out great. And there's no way anybody can mistake it for their bag because mine has my name on it. There is usually a theme for each box. There was last time. And remember last time I ordered the mini, but I was saying I have 6 items and I don't understand why, because the mini is supposed to have 3 to 4. Well, I messaged the box owner, trying to recall her name. I'm sorry, I can't right now. But anyway, she said that they will add extra items to the mini if they have them in stock. How nice is that? That's just a really neat touch. Let me see if there's anything else that I need to tell you guys about this box. Every box is prayed over by name before shipping, which is nice. And they're based off of a different Bible verse. And then they have them available for ladies and kids. And then there's pre-made boxes that you can choose from for men. 10% of the profits go into the light to help fight the sexual exploitation and trafficking of minors. I really love that cause. That is really special to me. I just love the little bit of my purchase goes towards that. And although they are a Christian box, they omit faith-based items when requested and to do so, and they replace them with an item or items of equal value. And they ship on the 15th of each month unless requested via email to ship on a different date. So they can even ship on a different date if you want, which is pretty unusual with these boxes, I'm finding, because normally they just have a standard ship date. I think it makes it easier to run, but these guys really try to customize this box all they can. So this is one also that I would recommend for a Christmas gift for someone. Alrighty, ready? Let's get into it. See what we got here. This was so fun to open last time. Alrighty, I had to unhook the tape at the sides. So here is the verse for the month. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. And that is Proverbs 138:14. I didn't know the exact address, but I did know that was in Proverbs. And Nancy Ann, and then there's a little handwritten note in here. This is so personalized. It's just, I think it's just beautifully done. This is, by the way, the standard box. Last time I did the mini, and this time I'm doing the standard with 7 to 9 items. Little card. Let me read what it says. Oh, I can do it without my glasses. Hi, Nancy Ann. All of us at the InJoyBox pray that this month's box encourages you to take heart no matter what you face, because you are never alone. Enjoy, Cindy. So Cindy is the person who signed that for me. Very nice. We have, in this world you will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world. John 16:33. And then on the back, it just says you can pre-order for Christmas and save 30%, but of course you can save 30% with my code too. And by the way, if you use my code for either one of these, either Read Your Heart Jewelry or the InJoyBox, I don't get anything for it. I just think these are both really great companies, and I enjoy sharing them with you and giving you a discount on great products. And now we are wrapped with a little heart on the top of our tissue paper. Let's get it open. Okay, and then this is like the cover sheet of the items. And in the world you have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. So take heart is obviously the theme of this month's box. Ooh, oh boy. I love pretzels. You guys saw when I opened, was it the INJOY box before? It was another box I opened a while ago and I was hungry. And I was so happy to get pretzels because I had a snack while I was unboxing. So these are Martin's, handmade since 1935. Hey, that's cool. Hand rolled, hand twisted, and hearth baked. No fat, no sugar, no preservative, little pretzels. Very cute. I may share these with my husband. And then it gives a little history of the company on the back. This is Clean Color Beauty Care Microfiber Makeup Remover Pad. Oh, that's really interesting. It says reusable makeup remover pad easily removes makeup when wet with warm water only. It removes face makeup such as mascara, lipstick, eyeshadows, eyeliners, and oil and daily foundation without irritating your skin. And then it tells with darker makeup to use it with a cleanser. So this has a fuzzy, I'm going to open it because I'll use this. There we go. This has a fuzzy texture to it. Can you see? That's really useful. Very nice. So something I can eat, something I can clean my face with. We're 2 for 2 right now. Let's see what's in this. This might be my personalized item. I think I'm going to save that for the end. I'm going to wait until the end. Sips drinkware. I'm still going to wait until the end. I use a lot of drinkware. I have 3 cups I'm rotating between right now, but some of them are starting to wear out a little bit. Take heart. 100 devotions to seeing God when life's not okay. That is really nice. Let me read off the back of this a little bit. In this world, it has the same verse. If life hasn't turned out the way you planned, you're not alone. Cancer strikes, loved ones die, spouses leave, dreams slip through your fingers, anxiety and depression steal precious seasons. But what if you knew you weren't alone in your pain? And then find, discover, and encounter different things here to help you through those hard times. 100 devotions. Very nice. And then, oh, this is cute. This is a little plaque for the wall. And it says, God gave me joy. And it's by Dixon's. Isn't that cute? This would be really cute on my shelf. Very nice little plaque. Very well made. It's a piece of solid wood. This is really good. And take heart, you have overcome the to and from. So there's a little tag. I'm not really sure where that's supposed to go. I guess if you were to give any of these, you could do that. You could put it in there. And then there's a little pin. It includes a scripture bookmark, a little pink pin. Very cute. And the same verse on the back of each one of these. So they did a really good job of customizing all of these to the theme. Now let's take a look at the cup, and look on the top, they wrote my name, Nancy Ann. Let's see what we've got. I love this holder. This holder is like really good quality. I mean, you like have to run a truck over that to get, well, maybe I could, yeah, that's pretty tough. It's well wrapped in the bubble wrap. Oh, this is sweet. Nancy Ann. And it says refresh on the back. Let me see what the little tag, if there's anything pertinent here. A portion of proceeds will be donated to build wells in Uganda. Very nice. Open it up. It's a little glass bottle. It's reusable. It's washable. So this wouldn't really work for a gym. I don't like having to unscrew things in the gym. But if I just want to bring some tea or something else around with me, I can also see where this could store things too. Like things I have smaller amounts of, like chia seeds and stuff like that. That would work, although it does have the rubber around it to keep things cold inside. So very nice box. Again, $47 for this, the larger one. Use my code Nancy, Nancy Ann for 30% off. So many codes, I get confused sometimes. Now I'm hungry because I'm looking at pretzels. So we got the custom named drink holder, the plaque, it holds pictures, the pin. Oh, what else? We've got the makeup remover, and we've got a very nice hardback devotional book. There you go. That is the InJoyBox, and of course we had the beautiful Read Your Heart jewelry. Check out their website. Again, I think that would make some great Christmas presents, and you could save some extra money with my code Nancy15 for 15% off there. All right, that is it for today's unboxing. We will see you on the next one. Oh, before I go, I also need to ask you, of course, poke the like button for me. If you would like to consider subscribing, would be absolutely honored to have you. I like doing all sorts of different types of unboxings. And you can hit that notification bell if you would like notifications of upcoming videos. Okay, now I'm going to let you go. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Glasses, phone, drink. I think, let me take a drink. All right. And now we're ready to go. Do I still have lipstick? That's good enough. Take 3. Third time's a charm. There we go.